Think your aloe vera is a goner after crown rot. Think again. You might be able to save it and multiply it. Welcome back to the channel. In a previous video, I showed what to do when an aloe vera survives crown rot. That plant won't grow new leaves anymore. But if you leave it alone, it will eventually produce pups before it dies. In this video, I'll show you another method. It works well if your aloe vera is already tall, like this one. Even though the plant will die off slowly, the roots can still send out pups before that happens. But if you want more pups and bigger ones, cutting the plant is a better way. Here's how. Cut the stem, leaving about half to 1 inch above the soil. Then replant the top part, the one with the leaves. Place both in a shaded spot. This helps prevent browning of leaves and new shoots. After 2 weeks, the top part has started growing a pup, and the root part, small pups are starting to peek out. Three more weeks later, so 5 weeks total, the pups from the top are bigger. The root pups are there too, but smaller. Just like in my last video, I removed the old leaves. This helps the plant focus on growing pups instead of trying to keep the old leaves alive. Here's what they look like now, 3 weeks after I removed the leaves. As you can see, the top part with the leaves produced faster, stronger pups. The root pups are healthy, but not as big. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. This is Danny. See you in the next video.